Hi everyone, it's Crystal, and today I'm sharing with you the Big and Small Kit by Brandy Kincaid for Feed Your Craft. The kit comes with a stamp set and cards, so let me show you the cards first. So there are 4x6 and 3x4 cards, and they are all single-sided, so you don't have to decide which one you want to use. Let's start with the 4x6 card. So there's this one. It says, "Here we go." This gorgeous kind of starburst stripe. These adorable little tulip-like flowers. I love these so much. Brandy does the best florals. If this isn't nice, I don't know what is. That's a Kurt Vonnegut quote. So this is how it all began. Every ending, a beginning. This gorgeous print. I love that so much. The colors in this kit are just so beautiful. Let's look at the 3x4 cards. So this one says big. There's small. Another really gorgeous kind of foliage floral print. Counting out on top, one small step at a time. Coming out on top. Oh, if I could read. Okay. Coming out on top, one small step at a time. We belong to each other. That's Mother Teresa. I really love this. Kind of almost Venn diagram-like. These really pretty swatches or stripes pattern. Again, the colors in this. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. It says, "I have a universe inside my mind." That's Yoko Ono. Fragile and formidable. Ice cream, of course, perfect for this time of year. Another gorgeous floral. And then a little bar graph that says, "It's not all good and it's not all bad." Perfect. Okay, let's take a look at the stamp set. I'll bring it up here so you can see it better. So there's delight in the details. This totally counts. That's the key. These kind of circular ones that say, "Time to put on my big girl panties and get to work. Love these little moments," and "Big plans, small steps, steady heart." Oh, I love that. There's a key and a heart and a little hanger hung up on this. That's adorable. "Putting my worry away. Why, yes, yes I can. Here for it." Just a little list, numbers 1 through 3. A question mark. "What a day. Not just okay. Choosing my own adventure." And this little tape measure. Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. It says, "Measuring all the moments." Ugh, I love this kit. Another kit knocked out of the park by Brandy Kincaid. So along with this kit, Elise was also kind enough to send me the new alpha and numbers set designed by Brandy Kincaid for Feed Your Craft. This is the Aster alphabet and the Aster numbers. And I am so in love with this. I love Brandy's handwriting. I'm so excited to have a stamp set in her writing. I think it's so just like whimsical and cute and gorgeous. It's perfect, and I can't wait to use this. I'm super excited to try that. Elise also sent me some of the puffy stickers that released last month, and if you can see how well they coordinate with the colors in this kit. So they are going to be perfect to use with the Big and Small kit. So if you haven't picked up some of these, I highly suggest you do. I love these little stars and plus signs, and if you can see these little like pie graph puffy circles, oh my goodness, those are perfect. And these tile alphabets are the perfect size. They're going to be perfect in pocket pages, so I can't wait to use those. And then in addition, I also picked up this stamp set, which is not new. This is What Day Is It? Designed by Brandy Kincaid, again for Feed Your Craft. It's not new, but it is re-released in the shop, and I picked it up this month because I love her handwriting, and I can never have enough stamps that have just the months and days on it, because it's, of course, you use it in almost everything. So I picked that up as well, and this is what I'll be using this month. I'm super, super excited to play with all these goodies. I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you haven't already picked up a kit for yourself or any of these other supplies, they'll all be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you back here soon.